I was with a guy I'd been seeing for a few weeks, and we finally went back to his place after a couple of drinks. Everything was going well until I felt a violent sneeze building up. I tried to hold it in, but I failed spectacularly. I sneezed so hard that I clenched. He slipped out and my knee shot forward, nailing him in the stomach. At the same moment, something else happened loudly. We both froze, and the only sounds were me sniffling and the evidence of what just happened. He whispered, "Did you just sneeze and do that?" I tried to play it cool, but my voice came out like a dying frog. He started laughing so hard he couldn't breathe, which made me laugh too. We didn't finish, but somehow we're still seeing each other. He's been texting me a chew every day since.